Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is experiencing syncing issues, freezing, unusual behavior, or you simply want to start over with a clean setup, performing a reset can often help restore normal operation. Resetting the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 can clear temporary software problems and give the device a fresh start. Depending on the situation, this process may remove customized settings, so it's important to proceed carefully. Fortunately, the reset procedure is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that can help you reset your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and make sure it is fully powered before starting the reset process. Step 2. Access the settings menu available on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 3. Locate the reset option provided within the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 settings. Step 4. Confirm the reset request on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 when prompted. Step 5. Allow the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 enough time to erase settings and restart automatically. Step 6. Set up the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 again and verify that it is operating normally after the reset.